Every job comes with its ups and downs. Sometimes it takes leaving to realize the good thing that's been in front of you all along, as 3 employees at Ayers have found.
I joined Ayers back in the summer of 1997 as a summer intern for 2 years in the Fort Collins office. I worked as an engineering intern those 2 years, which then translated into full-time in Sacramento. What prompted me to leave, really it was a sense of adventure and a draw from a friend of mine to go to Australia. It also, along with that, was a desire to expand my engineering experience, wanting to grow beyond some of the work that I had been doing. When I left Ayers, I initially did a handful of odd jobs, a number of labor jobs, doing some construction, building fences, but primarily I worked as a civil engineer at the city of Sacramento doing capital improvement project work. So I returned to Ayers about 6-7 years ago in 2015, and I came back for a few reasons. One, I had a great experience with working for a local municipality, but I was ready to get back to the private sector. My family and I were also looking to move back to Colorado, and knowing Ayers, and when an opportunity opened up, the timing was right, and so I took it, and here we are.
I first joined Ayers right out of college in January of 2002. I worked in a municipal group doing design and construction oversight. I enjoyed working in the Green Bay office because of the staff and the family culture, but there were some changes made, and I made a decision to leave Ayers in the fall of 2006. After approximately 5 years with another engineering firm, there was an opportunity for me to return to Ayers, and I acted on it as quickly as possible. Thankfully, Ayers welcomed me back with open arms and has been a great fit ever since.
I would describe Ayers as an employer that is going to allow you to engage a lot of different parts of your mind and your personality. You may come in as an architect, as an engineer, as an environmental scientist, but you're not going to spend 100% of your time doing things that only fit into that category. You are going to be able to work across divisions to figure out how what you do aligns with what they do to help better serve communities and people. I think Ayers as an employer is, you're going to find an exciting place that allows you to do a lot more than you might have thought you could.
If somebody asked me about Ayers and to describe the company to them, I would say Ayers is a company that values its employees above all and is a place that desires to be a fun place to work, to do valuable work that improves our communities, is an asset to the clients that we work for, and is a place where we can personally enjoy and grow as a person and as an engineer or whatever your role might be.
It definitely feels good to be back with Ayers. I've been back now for over 10 years, and I don't see that changing anytime soon.
It can be tempting to want to change or explore a seemingly brighter opportunity, but sometimes the grass isn't greener on the other side of the fence. It's greener where you water it. Learn more about opportunities with Ayers at www.ayers.careers.